Justin Vacula here at Hyatt House Miami Airport. A quick shuttle ride from the airport to here, complimentary shuttle provided by the hotel. Easy check-in process right in the lobby, elevator to the second floor. Panning around in the main area, walking in, it looks like an area to hang hats or coats. To the left, a bedroom, a living room area in the middle with a couch. We have a small TV and the large couch or the sectional in the corner. Walking toward the window, you can see a view outside. Not too much of a view, though, of the parking lot, but you can see some palm trees and other foliage towards the back. Coming around, some art on the wall and a kitchen area. We have an island in the middle. Walking through sink, coffee maker, tea, microwave, some storage area. Over here, refrigerator in the corner. Pitcher for water even. Freezer up top. And an oven and stovetop. Let's look up here. This looks like a strainer. Some kitchen supplies, toaster, salt and pepper. Let's walk into one of the bedrooms here. It's nice, set up 2 separate beds, 2 separate rooms. Walking through, personal bathroom over here, separate from the bathtub area and the toilet. So you have the sink and looks like soap and body lotion, tissues over here, and the mirror, side closet. And let's look at the bed. Looks like some thin sheets, some pillows, room outside, just a fan and a light connected. It's a bathtub with a shower. Nothing too special here. No sliding glass door that's sometimes popular at these Hyatt locations. And it looks like shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel tubes attached to the wall. And over here, a separate bath mat. Walk back, see the other room, probably much like this one. This was a points booked stay using a free night certificate with Hyatt that was set to expire. Very similar setup here. Another TV on the wall. And another bathroom. This one looks more spacious. Larger sink area. Mirror. Looks like a closet over here. And going in, it's the bathtub, similar to the other side. Again, the bottles attached to the wall. Toilet over here. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Travel Podcast. Hyatt House Miami Airport. I'll be heading on a Virgin Voyages cruise tomorrow. Should be a quick ride from the hotel to the cruise port. The person who checked me in said that you can also book a shuttle with a third-party service rather than relying on Lyft, Uber, or other rideshare. Stay tuned for some more content, including the Virgin Voyages cruise that will be coming soon.